Yes, hello, welcome to the hair tutorial of Hair Zipper, and I thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and those ones who are following our social medias like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you so much. I'm by names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. So today I have something very special and I would like to share with you. I'll be plaiting the cornrows, and I just wanted to take each step and follow how I'm going to be doing my cornrows. And remember, I told you this is something it's somehow very tricky and not simple at all, but I'm going to try to make it because it's also my first time to do cornrows. So I want you to follow me each step by step and see how I'm doing this. So I first cut the first line, as you're saying, so that I can braid my crochets just like that. I'm sorry, I'm just on the crochet. Okay, braiding, the way you can see, it's only the first line because I'm going to do the cornrows that goes behind. So this is what I'm doing, as the way you can see. I make it look very, very neat. This is the way to go, just like that. And I told you, like Hair Zipper, we work as a team so that our work be simplified. So I'm doing the braiding, and someone's helping me on the finishing the braiding. So this is what we do so that we the work should be fast. And when I'm done, I'm going to start cutting my lines. And on this one, the only trick is you have to make sure that your lines are very perfect, and whenever you're cutting them, like they should be very, very neat. So like the way I'm starting, remember, I start with the small, you just keep on adding, just like that. Just somehow very tricky, but make sure that I do it. I make sure that I do it myself, like the way you're saying. So at the end, I think you will like the transformation, like the way I'm going to do it. So keep subscribing. And I told you that this time I've changed. We're going to be having the lessons starting on Monday, Wednesday, then Friday and Sunday. So on Saturday I will just be dropping a video for just styling, like how you can style your hair, how you can style your the braids, the crochets. So I'll be showing you how you can do all that stuff as long as you subscribe. So just subscribe now and be the first person to see the updates. And remember, we still have our website, and our website is www.hairzippers.com. And the hair zipper, just add the S, so that comes hairzippers.com. And you see the recent hairstyles that I'll be posting, because I first put them on the website, and after they can go on my other social medias. So this is how is it, and you're seeing how I'm trying to go on with my cornrows. Yeah, my clients had her hairline was not that good, but I'm trying to bring it out the way you can see. And remember, like when you're trying to plait your client, and when her hair has broken in front, or when she has got the baby hair, excuse me. So please don't try to hold that hair. You should always leave it aside. Like the way you can see, I'm leaving some hair in front because I can't force it. Whenever I try to force it to hold it, it will break more. So I'm doing it, I'm leaving it, so that maybe for that one we can get another solution of how we can do it. So for the cornrows, just keep on adding, yes, just like that. And shout out to all my friends who subscribe my YouTube channel. There is Nelly. Oh, that is my student. I love you so much. And my friend Milian from the US, thank you for subscribing. And let's keep doing this. And remember, here at Hairzyper, there is an academy. So you can come and you register so that you get to learn all these hairstyles. So you just come and you register at our academy. It's still the registration is still in progress. For that, we share the ideas of how we can plait our hair. So this is it. Yes, you're seeing how I'm trying to struggle adding the hair so that I can make it very neat. As you can see, it's very, very, very hard, like, to perfect it, but at least I've tried, since it's my first time to do it. But I've tried, I've made it. So when we're done with this, I wait for another transformation, like how you can make your client look different. I'm trying to trim it, look very nice, adding the the strings, yes, for the braids to look nice and neat. And I'm doing simple makeup. Yeah, that is the eyebrows and lipstick most of the time. So what I always do. Yeah, just very simple for her, so that she looks like she's from the salon. And this is what I'm doing. So yup, just like that. I told you that I can do anything. So all the things, you'll be seeing them like on Saturday. There's people who want to know how you can style your hair. Yes, the makeup, we shall be doing it on Saturday. So don't forget to subscribe so that you get to learn all these techniques. So when I'm done here, I'm trying to put the eco gel so that I can do the baby hair for the rest of the hair, like the hair I had left. So just like that. And when I'm done with the baby hair, at least you can see how the transformation is coming out. Here is, I'm done. So thank you for subscribing, Hairzyper, and please keep supporting me so that I also give you what I have. I love you so much, and I sign out. See you next time. Bye.